Aloha, and welcome to KTA Quick and Owner Recipes. I'm Chef Grant Sato, and today we'll be preparing for you chicken Yurinchi. Place the chicken and tsuyu in a zip-top bag. Remove as much of the air as possible and marinate for at least 30 minutes or up to 1 day. Drain the marinade, dredge the chicken pieces in potato starch, and heat the oil to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry the chicken until golden brown and delicious. Drain on paper towels, then transfer to a mixing bowl. In a small sauté pan, combine the ketchup, sugar, vinegar, and mirin. Bring to a quick boil, then thicken with a slurry made from potato starch and water. Pour the sauce over the fried chicken, sprinkle with the shiso, toss well, and serve immediately. For this recipe and more, please visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.